just got to another apartment tour. I stayed another 2 days. It's currently Saturday. We're gonna tour another apartment after this, but these are really nice. Y'all saw the outside. Bye, guy. These are fancy. You gotta go by what kind of cars they got around. You know, it's a good. What area is this? Galleria?
I don't fucking know.
Look on your map real quick.
I think it's Memorial.
Yeah, probably one more actually. Now that I think about it. Push a P. Push a P.
Oh, it's like a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little outside of Galleria. So we're in the conference room. That is a big TV. Oh shit. They got all kinds of trims. These are gonna be interesting. Very, very interesting. Wait, is this the ones that I could be looking at?
No.
500 square feet.
No, I think these are the last people that were here.
Yeah, this gotta be. Yeah, I ain't living in no 500 square
What
feet.
is that?
These are gonna be expensive though, I can already tell.
Yeah, because look.
Almost 1,600 for 500 square feet. Oh shit, I'm nervous now. All right guys, this lady is super nice. We're about to tour. We even calculated my income right here, which I really like. Like I'm gonna qualify for sure. Basically, that's what she said. Right? We ain't even gotta worry about that. But we're gonna go tour a 2-bedroom. It's $2,300.
River Hollow.
1,075 square feet. I really like one apartment. I'm gonna submit an application today, but who knows? Something could happen. And the apartment that I'm submitting is more than this. It's 2.5.
Which one?
Or I think it on the website it says 2.5, but I think there's like a deal to knocks it down to 2.3.
Broadstone?
Yeah. Wait, so this could possibly be one of the units that we move into?
Yeah.
Okay, cool,
Yes,
cool,
it's
cool.
the actual apartment.
All right.
And if you didn't want this one, the only thing I have is different. It's same exact color, floor plan. It would just be on this side, and this side is gonna be a pool view.
Okay, so that side got the pool view.
They're working on these right now, so I don't have them available to show.
No, that's fine. Cool. That one's a master?
This one is.
This one? Alright, cool. I'm not gonna show you on camera, by the way. Damn, these are some tall ceilings. Big old window. So I got a question for the pool view. The pool view, like, would this would have the pool view too? In the other one?
Yes.
And that thing or
Yes.
and the other one?
Yes.
Okay.
While you're in here, let me just go look and see.
Okay,
apartment.
that sounds good. Thank you so much. These are tall as fuck. Cool shower, but no tub. Huh?
I like the tub.
I know, we can throw you in there. This is a decent size closet. But we've already, I don't know about this one. I like the Elon Karen apartment better than this, and it's the same, around the same price. But these are nice though, I'm not gonna lie. These are not bad. Me too, I thought they were gonna be nicer. The rooms are not, it's just, they're missing, like they need a little oomph.
Yeah, this carpet is not it.
I think it's okay. I don't like the little fuzzy one, you know?
I like the president.
Here's a restroom. If anybody knows, what is the reasoning for not putting the sink in the center? I mean, I guess so you have like air.
Yeah.
I guess that makes sense, right? All right, here's the tub.
Oh,
It's a big
this
tub.
is nice.
Here, get in there. Get in there. Oh, this will be the thumbnail. I always forget to do the thumbnail.
I'm gonna come relax here when you piss me off.
Oh, well, I'm not gonna piss you off.
You piss me off every day.
Oh my gosh, toxic. This is cool. Look, it has a little. We gotta buy these.
Oh
No
yeah,
problem.
for the towel.
Little towel hook. Not bad.
What do you think?
I like that.
They're not bad.
So the pool view, the location of it is right in front of the restrooms. So it's not really like the pool view.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
We're on the pool side.
Where is the light switch?
Is a laptop.
Well, how do we turn off
Sitting vacant, so.
the closet light? How do we turn it off?
Oh, you close the door.
Oh, what? How does that work?
Yeah, there's like some kind of like. You hear it click.
I need that. I need that. I don't know what that is, but
Oh,
I
it's right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're buying one of these. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it like that. That is smart. I learned something today. All right, guys, this is the other, on the other side, right? I don't know why I like the flip version better.
It feels bigger.
It does. And it makes more sense to me. Y'all don't have any space in the pool?
This is the pool, it's just on the first floor. It's facing the restroom right here.
Okay. Wait, so this is the unit that we should? Okay, cool. Yeah, I definitely like this one better than the other one. And I feel like there's more light. I might be wrong, but this one feels a lot better, right?
Yeah.
Closet. It's the same thing. This one makes a lot more sense. The rooms are spacious and big. Let's see out here real quick.
It's not terrible.
To be honest, like, I'm not really much of a, yeah. This is fine. My biggest thing is not too much about the views. I know for some people that's like a big thing, but I'm inside all the
Give you more light here. You guys
Exact-
feel bigger on this side.
Yeah, and we both do social media, so we need a lot of lighting. This one, I like this one more. Feels more open, more light. This one works better. All right, guys, so we just finished the unit. What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna go look at the amenities.
The amenities? Okay, what do y'all have?
Everything. What don't we have?
Okay, earlier in the front, I saw like a Uber waiting lounge. I've
Yes.
never seen that at any other complex, so I believe you.
Is available for you to come sit here. You can charge your phone while you wait.
Oh,
And then you
that's
just call
dope.
your Uber, and then you'll have a seat there. Here we have concierge available for you. Concierge will be available from 4 to midnight every day.
Y'all have housekeeping?
So Spruce, it's a third-party
Oh, okay.
service that you can use.
Okay, cool.
And
Wait,
then,
do you think I could get that at any apartment complex, or is it just here?
some apartments do have
Okay.
partnered up with Spruce. And then here you'll have Tide dry cleaning lockers. So the Tide dry cleaning will be available for you. All the pricing is done through Tide, but you can pick it up and drop it off here. This is the courtyard.
Wow.
So it's just kind of for views. It's a little bit different. You can just go up there and hang out. Hello, how are you?
Sheesh.
And of course, this is the mail room. So the mail room, check your mail, have 24-hour access to it. And then through here, you have your parcel pending. So your parcel lockers, you have access to your packages 24 hours, 7 days a week. The concierge gets here, he'll sort any that are left out.
A4.
Oh, it has 8 floors.
Well, this is on top of the garage.
Yeah, so the apartments are anywhere from 5 levels to level 5 to 6.
Okay.
Go ahead, I'll let you take
Okay.
it all in. It's open 24 hours.
Wow. Yeah, where do you think we should start? I don't want to spoil it. Okay. This is very fancy. Strength and cardio. You got everything you need. Everything. Definitely one of my goals is to go to the gym more when I move.
And then here you have a kids room. You have a yoga room that's going to be used for like virtual training.
Cool. Kids room. We're not having no kids.
And then through here, you have a poker table. You can reserve the poker sets, or you can bring your own games up here.
Mhm.
You'll have chess. Bring your own games if you don't play.
Right.
Utilize the space. It's great space.
Right.
It's gonna be
Wow.
wet up here, guys.
That's fine.
But
This is realistic though. It rains a lot in Houston. Pool, basketball.
pool, paddle table, access to the TVs, a fire pit. Nice and quiet, lounging furniture, champagne.
Look, over there is downtown, guys. It's good. I need something like this. All right, guys. We just finished first tour of the day. What did you think?
Everything is nice, but I feel like the apartment, the actual unit could do better.
Yeah. Yo, guys, I like the whole complex. If the unit was better, I think we would... Good price, good amenities, good stuff. But low key, bro, the Karen apartments are better than these. You didn't go with me, but the Karen apartments look better. I think, I mean, we're gonna be in an apartment most of the time, right? So it's like, the unit needs to be good. We can make the unit good here, but it's just, you know, it's kind of missing some things.
We should have came yesterday.
Yeah, we should have. We're on the way to the next touring. It's at 2:30, so we got like 45 minutes. But if you haven't yet, if you haven't been keeping up with the apartment series, make sure you click on the screen and watch all the videos. And turn on your notifications so you know which one we pick.